Hey everybody, it's Rob Wilson with South Tampa teardowns.com doing a quick testimonial video with Bill Angell, Dr. Angell. We recently purchased a property from him in Swann Estates and just wanted to talk really quickly about how that went. Dr. Angell, how did you find out about us?
Well, I received several calls actually about the property because it was coming on the market, and Tampa Teardowns was one of the companies that contacted me. So we interviewed about 3 or 4 different people interested in it as a tear down of the existing facility, which we had owned for 25 years.
Oh wow. And then how did the offers and the negotiation process go?
It went very nicely, actually. We were just very comfortable with Bob and his dealings, and he gave us the best price and covered all the costs of the transfer of ownership, and so it all went extremely smoothly.
Okay, very good. And then as we were going through the closing process, we eventually got to the point where you shared that you wanted to do a 1031 exchange. What is that, and how did that help you?
Well, it helps with the taxes a lot because we're transferring ownership from this property to another one on the water over in Danish Shores, and so we swapped the properties and it came out perfect.
Very good. Yeah, and I think we introduced you to the 1031 company, made sure the title company was aware, and made that happen. So that was happy to help with that. How did the closing go?
It was dirt simple. We had no problem at all. We were able to accomplish everything we needed to do in a timely manner with no hitches at all.
Very good, very good. Well, that's all we can ask. Would you work with us again?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Happy to.
Well, very good. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Dr. Angell. Appreciate you spending the time with us this afternoon. I know you're real busy, and thanks for doing business with us at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.
Happy to. Thank you for all your help.
Thank you. Take care.
All right.